Welcome back children once again. This is Ansu here. This time we will be seeing the part 3 of charts in MS Excel. In the last part, I demonstrated how to make the different types of charts. Today we will be discussing about the theoretical portions of those charts. So today we will be discussing column chart, bar chart, line chart and pie chart. A column chart depicts data in the form of vertical bars. It was already shown in the previous video that a column chart shows data in a vertical manner. Column charts are used to compare different categories of data. You can compare a lot of different types of data on the same scale. Column chart can be used to compare the price of mobile phones across different brands. If you consider different brands like Samsung, Huawei, etc., you can compare the price between these brands in a chart. Column charts are also used to show the number of times these items appear in the data. It is also used to show the frequency of data or the number of times these data is appearing in a chart. Example, column charts can show the price of commodity across different states of India. You can take any mobile phone and you can compare the change in the prices in different states across India. That is also possible with the help of a column chart. What are the steps that are required to create a column chart? It was already demonstrated in the last video, but again I'm going to tell you how it is. You have to make a table based on the data that you have. The first thing that you have to do is you have to select that table. Then you have to go to the Insert tab. The Insert tab appears. From that you have to go to the Charts group. From that you have to click the column icon. I already showed you how to do this. And a drop down list comes. From that, here we are going to take the 2D model, that is custard column chart. From that you click on it. Then you get the chart on the spreadsheet. Then 3 tabs appears. I already showed you the different varieties that you can create. All these are possible with the help of 3 tabs that comes along with it, that is design, layout and format tabs. That is, once a table is formed, when you touch the table, anywhere in the table, you will get 3 tabs, that is design, layout and format tabs. Now let's discuss about the bar chart. A bar chart is similar to a column chart. Only difference in a bar chart is that the data is presented in the form of horizontal bars. It is very similar to the previously discussed column chart. The only thing is, in a column chart, data was represented in a vertical manner. Here it is represented as horizontal bars. The x-axis of the bar chart is the vertical axis or the vertical line, and the y-axis is the horizontal line. The purpose of a bar chart is same as that of the column chart. Whatever things that you can do with a column chart can be done in the bar chart too. Now let's talk about the different steps to create a bar chart. You have already seen it in the previous video. I'm just going to explain one more time. You need to select the cells in the worksheet that shows the required data. Then you have to click the Insert tab. From the Insert tab, you have to go and check for the bar icon. You have to click the bar icon. A drop down list comes. From that you have to select the 2D bar section. In that there is a stacked bar icon. Click on the stacked bar icon. The data will be represented in the form of a stacked bar chart. And when you click on that chart, the design, layout and format tabs comes. From that you can select the required design and format that you need. The next one is the line chart. Line chart is also similar to the column and bar chart. As it is said in the name itself, the data will be represented in the form of lines. The line chart is used to compare the values of data over a period of time. You are calculating or you are checking the data over a period of time in the case of a line chart. A line chart can be used to compare the price of an item. You can use it to compare the price of mobile phones or vacuum cleaners or whatever that you need. It can be done with the help of a line chart. Let's talk about the different steps to create a line chart. First thing is you need to select the cells in the worksheet. Then click on the Insert tab. From the Charts group, you have to click the line icon. A drop-down list will come with the different forms of line charts available. In that, you have to look for the 2D section line charts and then click the line icon. The given data will be shown in the form of a line chart. When you click on the table, 3 tabs, that is Design, Layout and Format tabs appears. The next one is the pie chart. This is the last one we need to go through today. A pie chart looks like a round pie or a pizza. You all are familiar how a pizza or a pie looks like, right? This chart represents the contribution of each category of data. That is, each part of the pie shows a different thing and how much it is contributing to the whole. One part of the data is compared against the whole data. You can use the pie chart to represent the monthly expenses and depict the share of each expense or the percentage of students scoring specific rates. If you consider the salary of the person, you can make a pie chart based on how much is spent for rent, how much is spent for food, how much is spent for travel, how much is spent for miscellaneous things. All these things can be done. The whole thing that you are considering is your salary. In that, you are considering the percentage of each things in that category. The values are calculated as percentage. Everything are calculated in the form of percentage. Now, what are the steps to create a pie chart? You need to select the cells on the worksheet. What is there in the worksheet you need to select. Then click on the Insert tab. From that, you have to go to the Charts group. In the Charts group, you have to look for the pie icon. Then in that, there are 2 options, 2D or 3D is there. You have to look for the 2D pie section and click the pie icon that you need. The selected data will be represented in the form of a pie chart. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. I hope you understood the different types of charts in MS Excel. Please go through it and understand the concept. Thank you.